can go down here. Yeah. I've been down here before.
Yeah. This is the spot.
I've been here before.
I think I'm about to step it up.
Do you know what's there? Can you actually see?
Nope.
Like, don't be going flinging off any cliff, dude.
No, I don't see.
There's tracks over to the right.
Yeah, we
there.
always seem to follow tracks, but it's generally not always a good thing to do. But look at how deep that snow is. That's just crazy amount of snow.
Oh yeah, it's congested, eh?
So this is a true...
Yeah, I've been down here before and went, oh fuck.
Here's a true cliffed out situation. Slide down. You're kind of wondering where you are. Well, kind of know where we are because Creekside's like right down the bottom there. You could see the gondola.
Fuck, nobody does adventures like us, dude. Hey? Oh! Oh, this is fucked. Huh?
And
I'm not happy where I'm standing.
yeah,
Just
that's
saying.
basically 50, 60, maybe more drop right in front of us.
You just can't see, right?
I'm pretty sure it's a no-go, and I think the only spot that is a go is further to the left, around these trees here.
So you think we're hiking back up?
I will tell you, I'm glad I'm on skis. The mobility.
Let me see from
the
here.
mobility on skis is just so much better than a snowboard.
There is a track down there.
It looks pretty high.
Oh, it's fucking high, I think. Look at the snow here. I just don't want it to go on me.
If you're wondering when this happens, yeah, I'm scared to death. I really don't enjoy it. And you got people yelling off the gondola to send it.
Dude, I can't see
But
fuck
we don't
all.
even know we don't even know what's below us.
I'm a bit scared at the moment, Sean.
Yeah, scared shitless is more like it.
Oh, okay. I mean,
So here I'm right here I'm looking for my out. And I think I finally see a way out.
Okay. I can get down here, I can see a bit. I can go down here, I can see a bit. I'll go down here, I'll see a bit for you. Hang on. Just hang on.
Now I'm going to try and get through these trees here. These cables or hoses run all the way up Creekside. Don't know what it's for. I guess I gotta... So right now I'm worried about sliding on them. And then just, you know, sliding right off. But man, just look how deep the snow is. I don't even think I can get my skis out of the snow there.
Oh, this is fucked up, dude.
To say the least.
Oh, maybe not. I just can't see anything, Sean.
It's hard to tell, but this is pretty steep. As you can see, I'm going real easy.
I'm going into the trees on the left. It's aviing over here, dude.
Well, not really aviing, but there was somebody coming down but above me who was basically sloughing me.
Okay, I'm way left, Sean, and it's a cliff.
Basically now it's, how do I get out of here?
Fuck. Hey, do you know the way through here?
That guy in blue there, he actually went down it and did a really nice job of destroying his skis sliding down the rock face.
How you doing?
Don't really know where to go.
Okay.
Kind of screwed at the moment.
I'm gonna try going out here.
I couldn't see.
I know. I've been here before.
Yeah, and I have too, but I don't remember it all.
Yeah.
And I think there's a big hole at the bottom. I can see it. My buddy's on the other side.
What do you see ahead of you?
He's on the other side of you.
What's that?
He's on a snowboard on the other side of you.
Okay. Do you see a way out around that tree or no?
You know what? It just looks like it's straight down.
Okay.
Like everything just looks straight vertical.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about hiking back out.
Yeah, pretty much that was the next thought, was like, how do I get back out of here?
How's it look from there?
Working for me so far.
This is real time. I'm not going to speed it up. You can just watch the whole you can just watch the whole screw up here.
Oh, this sucks ass. Oh, he's fucking up like this.
Yeah, I really hate this. I got to stop getting left out. It's not a lot of fun.
Shit.
And I'm still wondering where to go.
How'd you make out? How's it down there? Douchebag.
Yep. No answer. Pretty much, I don't think he answered because he just destroyed his skis on the rock face.
Just gotta get through there. I'm good. All right.
Well, I think I'm good. I'm thinking that hole through the trees is my escape. And it kind of is.
Woohoo!
Yeah, a little scream of joy and stuck.
Nice.
And all the snow from 2 30-foot trees basically just came down on me. And I'm stuck right here. I got a branch across my chest, and my one ski was buried under some other branch, but here we go. We made it through.
Frig. Oh.
Thought I was out. Looking over to the left, that had to be 15 feet drop to flat, which I'm not into.
Still cliffed out.
I can't even imagine doing this on a snowboard. You'd have been up to your waist in snow. And you can see I'm even stuck in the snow. It's so deep. Now what to do? Kind of thinking now maybe I might have a way to go, but still not sure. But I knew left was not the answer, so maybe right was. And I still, right now, I don't have a clue what Sean's doing. I still think he's above the cliff, which he very well might still be. I'm still scared out of my mind, even at this point, because I still don't know how I'm getting out of there.
Dude!
That snow you see right there, that is from Sean coming down now. I didn't know that at the time, but you can just see it sloughing through the trees there.
Oh, yay!
Then I finally found the way out.
You alright, Sean? Yeah, just come down here, but don't go left. I'm finally out of it. I'm finally out of this mess.
Thank goodness. I'm done.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was about 12 minutes of scared shitless.
Oh,
And if you look on that rock, if you look up on that rock, I'll turn it around again, and you'll see it. That guy in the blue skis just basically scraped the whole rock face off.
Oh my God, that wasn't fun. Don't come there. That wasn't fun.
So just there on the left,
Yeah.
the guy, that's where the guy in blue It's
Hang
just
on.
sheared the snow off that rock. I guarantee destroyed his skis.
Yeah, you gotta go. See that? I went right through the tree right there on your left. That's a drop right here. It's pretty soft. If you come, yeah, if you come right between those two goalposts, it's about maybe 6 feet to just mush. But you can honestly slide down to the goalpost, turn, and then just do a little huck and you'll be fine.
Here comes Sean sliding down on his butt. Man, I gotta tell you this.
Oh, I don't want to do that
I'll
again.
tell you, the skis are way
Wait till
better.
you see this when you get down here, dude.
Look at how thin that rock is. So basically, we're right on the top of that. You can't tell, but it was pretty much straight down.
Yeah, when you just slide down to the goal, just slide down to there, and then just have a look. But yeah, like honestly, it's just land. It's really soft. It's like this, like, just don't hit this. This is a rock. Yeah, just trust me on this one. Just go, pop. You're building the snow up as you do that even. You're making it shorter. Yeah, have a look, and then look at, now there's so much snow there, just, you're good. Yeah, you have no problem doing that. Just make sure you come this way and then stop, because this is not a drop, but it's better to stop on it. I think if you just stand up and hang onto the trees and just pop, you'll be fine. But I can't see it from there. I think you'll be fine just turning and going.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta trust your buddies. There you go.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Nice.
Well, let's not do that again.
Oh, I'm so glad I went with my instinct.
That guy came down there. Look at the scuff marks from his skis on the rock.
Is that yours?
That's the guy. No, that's the guy that came. Didn't you see the guy?
I did, the blue jacket.
Yeah. He was a bit of a douche.
Yeah.
He was a real douche, actually.
I was gonna go across to my dude.
Dude.
It's rock. It's not gonna adhere.
Thanks for
You
trusting
probably
me.
said to come with all the snow.
Thanks. He was avalanching me the whole way down there.
Yeah, right.
Dude, I hit one tree. I went through that little tree spot.
I see. Yeah.
And it just went, every snow fell down on me. Look at this.
Holy shit. Dude.
Just watch out for holes.